you think you want to have a child one day? Well, just know that one time I was sleeping over at my friend's house and he has a little brother named Jimmy. And it was like 2 a.m. so everyone was asleep, but I was super thirsty. So I went to the kitchen to get some water and Jimmy's there. And he comes up to me and says, I can't sleep because there's a monster under my bed. Can you check it? And I say, there's a what? And he says, a monster. Dog, I wanted to say, hell no, I ain't checking that because I'm just as terrified as you are, Jimmy. Like, get your parents to do this, bro. I'm scared of monsters too. But I become super brave, so I check under his bed anyway, and I tell him that there's nothing under there, and then I say, do you think you can go to sleep now? And he says, no, because there's a ghost in my closet. What do you mean there's a ghost in your closet? And why can you even see ghosts? So I draw the line there, and I'm like, Jimmy, there's no ghost in your closet. The only reason I told him that is because I was too scared to check. But then he asked me if I can stay in the room with him, and he covers his whole body with his blanket so the ghost can't get to him. I'm thinking, man, give me that blanket. I don't want the ghost to get me either. Like, they don't discriminate. But it made me think, how am I gonna do this when I have my own kid? I can't be this brave all the time. I am not a Ghostbuster.